Did you know that there are AI models bringing in more than $10,000 per month? The best thing is that the creators are not even hiding that the models are AI made. This company here, called the Clueless AI, has 2 AI models on Instagram. This one here, Aitana Lopez, has gone viral. There's a lot of potential in this market if you know how to do it correctly. Even if people know it's AI made, if it grabs their attention or conveys a certain message, it works. The money comes through sponsorships and monthly subscriptions anyways. Here is their website, and these are their 2 avatars. A woman with pink hair and another one with short bright hair. It says down here with more to come, and I don't blame them. So in this video I will show you how you can create your own AI models, make them talk and face swap them into videos. I will focus on including free tools for this video so that you can copy the workflow if you want and do the same thing. Here are the tools that I will be using. Fotor, which has an AI image generator and a face generator. It's better than the general model on creating faces with less deformities. The next one is the HelloFaceApp, which you can also access through your phone. This helps us generate videos and face swap our avatars or models into the video. They have a bunch of good templates that we can use immediately. I will also use DupDub and their creative suite together with Vidnoz for creating talking avatars for our video and generate AI voices. Let's start with Fotor.com, the online photo editor for everyone according to their website. They have a bunch of tools, everything from thumbnail creator, background remover to AI image tools. I will use the AI face generator to create a few images of our avatar and model. It's totally free. You can sign up or just sign in using your Google account like I'm going to do. We write our prompt in this box here and describe the appearance of the person we want to create. Let's go with a woman with pink hair, wearing futuristic clothes, fashion model, green eyes. Click on this green button that says generate down here and we'll wait for the image to be generated. I did speed up the video a little bit, but it actually generated these images pretty quick compared to some of the other image generators out there. Now we got these 2 images here. They look absolutely stunning. I like the soft light and how they've put green makeup close to the eye. We got green eyes on the image here to the left, just like we wrote in the prompt. This one on the other hand has only a green makeup around their eye, which is still decent. With that said, both are usable and we'll keep them. Before I generate 2 more images, I see that we have a few more styles down here that we can play around with. Photography 3, which is the one that we're using now, is the more realistic one. They have also styles like pixel art, color manga, art oils, digital art, neon punk and cinematic. Above the styles, we see a section for changing ratios of the image, the model of the AI, and last but not least, the negative prompts alternative. I recommend using negative prompts as they can help enhance your characters, scenes, and objects in the image. Negative prompts simply means things that we will not include in the image, and it's the opposite of a prompt where we describe the image. I usually include blurry, deformities, and low resolution. This increases my chances of getting an image with no body deformities or blurriness. These are the 2 images we got with the same description and including negative prompts. Let's save these 2 images as well so that we have 4 images in total of our model. Let's move on to the next part where we use these 4 images to create a bunch of other images of our character that will be consistent in the appearance. Switch over to the AI avatar tool, which is still on Fotor.com. Once you've clicked on it, we get 4 style alternatives to choose from. The one that I will use for this example is the creative styles. Let's upload the 4 images we generated and create an AI avatar with this tool. If you want it to be more precise, you can upload up to 15 images, but in my experience 4 images can be enough sometimes. Pretty wild. After we've uploaded the images, it will take a few minutes for the AI to train on the images and generate 50 new ones for our character in new styles and scenes. Now that it's done, let's take a look at what we got. So based on the images and the style of creative that we chose, we got 10 different results per style. The studio style is with her wearing suits and tie in some of the images. We got a bunch of beautiful sketches. These are more consistent than the studio ones above. Watercolor is looking really cool as well. It's green and it has a lot of different colors in it. She's consistent and her appearance is similar across the different images. A good niche for these images could be gaming news channel or gaming commentator maybe, with a colorful and futuristic look. If you're going to do that, just use Perplexity to gather the latest news so that you're up to date. Create the outline and the entire script using ChatGPT or Cloud. There are endless possibilities, and your primary concern if you want to make money in this business is that you have to go all in on a niche and judge once you've put in the work. We even got a bunch of images in the style of game characters. They look good, and it's not only the characters but the possibilities of creating everything from click and explore games to interactive teachings and education adapted for the individual. At the end of the day, this is just a great tool. What you will do with it is the real question. Let's move on so that I can show you something even better. Let's take an image from Google. I will go with this mid close-up shot of Angelina Jolie. Let's simply add it to the face swap tool here, and it will detect the face. Now we've got the second option down here to add another face, which will replace Angelina Jolie's face in this scene. So let's click here and choose an image of our character that we created. I will go with the first image we created because I like it the most. To confirm, just click on this button, swap face now, and the result shows up pretty quickly. It took this image around 10 seconds, and here we go. It swapped the face with the model on our image. This actually looks like another actor, but I can't remember her name at the moment. Alright, now that we know how to swap faces, we can do this with any image. So our character had pink hair, and I want to swap her face into an image of a girl with pink hair. Let's take this image from Google and do the same process again. Upload the image that we want to change, and since we've already uploaded our avatar from before, I will just click on swap face now. And after a few seconds, this is the result. I think this looks really good considering the image we uploaded didn't even show her entire face and covered some parts of her right eye. If we compare the two images side by side and judge from the lighting, we see that the face of our swapped image has more of a soft light to it. This is because of our image that we used as reference, so when you swap the faces of a character with another one, make sure that the styles and textures of the skin are similar for the best result. Now that we've got this part covered, you might ask, what about video? And this is where the HelloFaceApp comes in. There are many solutions out there, but HelloFaceApp makes it really simple and gives us a free alternative if you're alright with having some ads on the app. Just like we swapped the faces in the image earlier, we can do it the same way and instead add our avatar to a video. Pretty simple. You can access this through your phone, and they have a lot of templates we can choose from, which is another great thing if you just want to try it out immediately. Before we create a video of our model, let's see how people are using it currently. The first example was swapping the face into an old movie. Of course, we're going to have a lot of dancing videos for TikTok and short content. Here is another one which shows the transformation in real time. It goes from this woman, which is the real person, and transforms it into this face from this image that she has uploaded, and then it goes and adds a scar and some more makeup. Really interesting that you can add extra elements to it. Talk about creating consistent appearances in different frames. This is another great use case. This person has swapped the face of an influencer, and now it seems as if she's promoting their outfit and clothes. If you're creating a virtual model, this is one of the ways people are creating content for their own page. Let's try it out and choose one of the videos they have in the app. I will choose a model on a catwalk. Let's go with this one here. Choose the template and just add the image of the model. I will go with the same image that we generated earlier and let the app do its job. Now look at this, just insane. In a few seconds we swapped the face of our avatar into this video of a model on a catwalk. Now you can literally pretend to be anyone digitally with these AI tools. It's kind of scary at the same time. Here is another one of their templates. It's a promotion video for a green Lamborghini, and the model is a woman wearing pink. This video is better for putting this app to the test. There are various shots, the camera is moving, and the face is shown in various angles. I chose the same image of our avatar once again as reference. Now let's do the same thing here and see if it will look as good. Well, you can judge for yourself, but in my opinion this looks really stable considering how fast it created the video for us. I am impressed. Now let's move on to the voice generation and how to add voices to your avatars and models. For this I will use DupDub and Vidnoz. Let's start with DupDub, which is an all-in-one content creation platform. They also have a bunch of really awesome tools including AI avatars and AI voices. I have actually done a video about them before, and I do use their tools from time to time. To create your avatar, you can just choose from one of their templates or upload your own image. Click on upload your photo here, and for this example I will go with the image we face swapped earlier of the girl with pink hair. Once you've uploaded your image, we need to add an audio. So you can create the audio from plain text where it uses the AI to generate a voice. Another great option is to record what you want to say and make the avatar say it. With the help of AI, it synchronizes the movement of the lips. You can also upload an audio file of you or someone else speaking, or even a video. For now, I will go with the AI voiceover with the text. Once we click on it, we get a pop-up window with a list of different voices. They have some really cool ones that sound really authentic, and it's not only the basic ones that you see on every website. Another cool feature with their AI voices is that you can choose a language like English and have it being spoken with a Swedish accent or even French. If you're creative, you can do some pretty cool stuff with it. They have more than 40 languages you can choose from. With these tools, you can create your content in multiple languages with a few simple clicks. This is great if you want to reach a wider audience from all around the world. Let's go with this voice here. Now we can write whatever we want and the AI will turn that text into audio and make our avatar or model say it in the voice that we chose. I wrote, "Welcome to my Instagram page. Make sure you follow and stay true to the color of pink. Love you all." Now let's see what the finished result looks like.
Welcome to my Instagram page. Make sure you follow and stay true to the color of pink. Love you all.
The voice still sounds like the one we chose and she's clearly saying the words we wrote. I like how it's emphasizing different parts of the sentences just like a natural conversation. It doesn't sound monotone. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can just download the video or find it under my avatar on DupDub's website. Sometimes I don't even bother changing to ChatGPT or other AI text writing tools. Instead, I just use DupDub to generate the text or script that I want my avatar to speak. Here I use the AI voiceover and write a simple and short description of what I want. So I wrote, "A girl welcoming viewers to their Instagram page," and I simply click on this button here that says "Ask AI to write" and then choose "Continue writing." It doesn't take more than a few seconds and it gives us an entire introduction and welcoming speech for our viewers. Let's copy the entire script and upload another image of our avatar this time. Let's choose this one here. Go back and choose the AI voiceover again. Now paste the entire script that we copied earlier and paste it in here. Remember that if your text is too long like mine here, trim it and remove some sentences. Once done, simply pick a voice from the list. I will go with a voice that's speaking in English but with a Swedish accent. Alright, let's click on this blue button up here once everything is in place and confirm by clicking on generate. Let's see the result.
Hey there, welcome to our Instagram page. We're so excited to have you here and share our journey with you. You'll find a little bit of everything here. From travel adventures to mouth-watering food. From fashion inspiration to heartfelt moments with loved ones.
Since I'm trying to involve free AI tools in this video, I'm going to show you another great one called Vidnoz AI, which you can try out for free. What's most unique with Vidnoz is the voice cloning and their avatars. This is literally one of the better sources for full body or half body AI models. They have a range of options to choose from and they have covered most of the niches and real use cases which these AI avatars can be used in. Even if you don't use them, they might give you some ideas if you just scroll through them. Another cool thing with Vidnoz is that it's available in different languages. Here I had the opportunity to change the language of the menu and everything in the website to Swedish. It's really awesome for people who want to use these tools but can't understand English. Now let's upload an image of our avatar. It's as simple as the other tools we used, if not easier. Just choose the image. Let's go with her again. Now while it loads, click on this drop down menu here to choose the voice you like. You can listen to a preview of the voices before you pick. I will go with Clara from Canada for this one. Let's click the purple button down here saying generate this talking image to move on to the fun part. Down here we can write the text that we want her to speak. Inside of this box, similar to before, we can upload our own voice or record live. You can also choose any other audio file from your computer or phone and it will make your avatar speak the audio. Let's write what we want her to say. I will go with something cheesy like, "The future is here, are you part of it or not?" Now don't forget to subscribe to Snowball AI if you don't want to get left behind. Yeah, that's cheesy enough. Now just click on this purple button in the upper corner that says generate and once again we'll let the AI do its magic. It didn't take more than 30 seconds for our video to be ready. Let's see what we got.
The future is here, are you part of it or not? Now don't forget to subscribe to Snowball AI if you don't want to get left behind.
Well, that looks good. Another great result that can be used. Now, don't forget to check out Vidnoz because they have a bunch of different AI tools you can play around with. I have included all of the tools that I mentioned in this video in the link down below. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.